Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to this new video. And in today's video, we will understand modern agile. We will also understand what are its principles, how it is different from the traditional agile manifesto values, and we will try to understand and remember modern agile principles through one acronym, which I am calling it as SAFE. So let us begin. So what exactly is modern agile? So as we know that agile manifesto, the original agile manifesto, where most of our agile processes in today's IT were based on, they were like four principle, which includes like focusing on the continuous value delivery, continuous improvement, accepting the change, and transparency, right? So in the modern agile, these are the four principles. The very first one is making people and teams awesome, making safety as a prerequisite, experiment and learn rapidly, and the fourth one is delivering value continuously. So these are the four principles on the basis of which modern agile recommends organizations and the teams to practice and uh, BB Agile. So we will explore each of these principles in detail. So the very first one, making people and teams awesome. So when we say people or the team, so it is not just the people who are building the products, but also our customers who are using the product, and also in that supply chain. I mean, whoever is, I mean, if there is someone involved in the selling and the marketing of the product, so we have to make the experience of our people who are building it, who are using it in any way awesome, right? So we have to make our people and teams awesome. So I mean, if you see this picture, I mean, there are players who are actually playing the match, but I mean, there is a coaching staff, there is a support staff, there are other who are using in some way this particular play, right? So we have to make the experience of all these involved people awesome. We have to make the team and its surroundings awesome. So there are ways to make the people and the teams awesome. Where the very first one is, I think, building trust, empowering the teams, and continuous inspect and adapt. So I mean, we cannot lay some rules and then say, okay, the teams, you follow these rules and then you will be great. I mean, we have to continuously see, I mean, how we are progressing in our journey. I mean, teams should have that insights, like what are the areas they have to improve, to be high performant and to be further awesome. Making safety as a prerequisite. So this is a very modern principle, very different from the traditional agile manifesto, because safety is not discussed over there. But when the modern agile says safety as a prerequisite, it means like safety for all. It includes the physical safety as well as the psychological safety, right? So this is very important. And also, it talks about the emotional safeguards, the stress-free environment, protecting the data and the information of its employee as well as its customers, safeguarding the reputation. So obviously, if the things are secure, the customer will also feel that their reputation is safeguarded. So this is very important that we ensure that safety is of utmost importance. Experimentation and learning rapidly. So like I discussed briefly that inspect and adapt is of very important for a team to be high performant, continuously understanding how well they are doing, not only in just in terms of product or the delivery, but overall process. I mean, inspecting the whole, not just a part of it, improving the whole. Or there's a lean principle which talks about optimizing the whole. So looking at the complete picture, looking at each and every step of the process. So that's how we can be improved. So learning for improvements. So we cannot expect team will become awesome if they are not learning. So experimentation and innovation to that sense in the process and tools and technology, it's very important. So if we have to continuously improve, we have to continuously learn. We also have to give emphasis on the innovations that we innovate. I mean, if some technology is outdated and there are ways to improve our current product and experience of the customers and its users, I mean, go for the new technology, right? So innovation is very important. Delivering value continuously. So this is, I think, mentioned in the traditional agile as well. I mean, if the team has developed something and they are facing some issues and not able to deliver them in a continuous manner, they have to understand and automate and focus on the small releases. So continuous value delivery through small increments or small releases, continuous value delivery through automation wherever it is applicable, because it will help them to do the frequent releases, like release on demand, which is a term in the DevOps, right? And then delivering safely, which is very important. So we understood what exactly is modern agile, what are its four principles. We went through each of these principles in some brief detail. So now we can also remember these four modern agile principles through an acronym, which I am calling it as SAFE, where S stands for safety as a prerequisite, A for awesome people and teams, F stands for frequent continuous delivery, continuous value delivery, E stand for experimentation and learning. So continuously learning, continuously improving. Yep. So thank you everyone. Thanks for watching this brief video. I hope you liked it.